Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel and you're interested in looking your best, feeling your best, or maybe interested in becoming a model, definitely want to check out the rest of my content. I make awesome videos on a weekly basis where I give you guys some of the best tips. So in this video, let's talk about the health of your skin. So a lot of you guys might not notice, but your immune system actually plays a major function in the sense that it determines what types of microbes and what types of microorganisms could live on your skin. The healthier your immune system, the healthier the microbes and the microorganisms are going to be on your skin. And that has a huge effect in determining how great your skin looks. So in this video, I'm going to break down some simple things that you guys can do to improve the health of your skin and also boost your immune system. All right, let's get to it. So the first thing that you guys can do to boost your immune system and also improve the health of your skin is to stay active. Stay active, workouts, making sure that you're sweating and flushing out those toxins from your sweat glands. That's very important. It's also really important to drink a lot of water. So you guys have probably heard this so many times, and I've said it on this channel so many times. Drink your water. Make sure you're drinking up to 8 glasses of water a day, if not more. This would definitely help you become more active, improve your metabolism, and in a sense, also boost your immune system, which will help the appearance and overall look of your skin. The second thing that you guys can do is to pay attention to your diet. So that's going to be very critical, especially during these times that we're in right now. You want to pay attention to your diets. Don't eat junk food. Try to limit that as much as possible and instead aim for fruits and vegetables. You want to make sure that you try to incorporate these into your diet. Items that are very high in vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. These vitamins are essential for the health of your skin. So it's very important that you try to get fruits and veggies that are high in these vitamins. Another thing that you can do, and this is easier said than done, is to not stress. So when you're stressed out, this has a major impact on your health. You're releasing all types of toxic hormones and toxic chemicals throughout your body. This breaks out your skin. It has a major impact on your health overall. This is not good, so try not to stress. One thing you can do to help reduce stress is to exercise and meditate. The next thing you can do, and this is vital for your immune system and also for your skin, is to sleep. I've said this in other videos, sleep is one of the most important things that we can do on a daily basis. Making sure you're getting adequate sleep. If you're like me, I personally don't get enough sleep. But you need to get more sleep. You need to get at least anywhere from 6 to 8 hours of sleep in a day because this rejuvenates your body, makes your body function properly. And it also helps boost your immune system and helps repair damaged cells. So this will help you feel more vibrant, and it would also show up on the appearance of your skin as well. Another thing that you can do for your skin is to consume berries. Let berries be your very best friend. So check it out. So elderberry is very popular right now in the health and nutrition space. This is something that's really good in boosting your immune system because it's loaded with antioxidants naturally. So this is great for your health. It's great for the appearance of your skin. Cranberries are also phenomenal. Blueberries, pomegranate is also great for your skin. So whenever you can, try to eat as much berries and incorporate these into your diets. These are going to do wonders for you. The next thing you can consume is mushrooms. And I know a lot of people hate mushrooms, but I actually love mushrooms. Try to eat as much mushrooms as you can and incorporate that into your diet. Mushrooms actually have a lot of health benefits that can actually help support a lot of vital functions in your immune system. The next thing you can do is to consume tea. When you consume tea, tea is great for your immune system. And as I mentioned, your immune system is vital to the health of your skin. So one thing that I like to do is I like to consume a ginger lemon tea. And sometimes I might add a little bit of turmeric, black pepper, and cayenne because this will help with inflammation as well. One more thing that you can do to improve your immune system and also help the appearance of your skin, I personally do this from time to time, is to chew on a clove of garlic. So whenever I'm feeling a little bit sick, I just take 1 clove of garlic and chew on that. It's very difficult to get through that clove of garlic, but trust me, this would give a shock to your immune system and help improve and boost your immune system as well. Now, not only is garlic great for your immune system, it's also great for your skin and particularly your hair. Garlic has actually been proven to help with hair growth. So chewing enough garlic and putting that into your diet is also going to help you look great. It's gonna help your hair shine. All right, guys, so these are my tips on how you can improve your immune system and ultimately impact the health of your skin. So I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you're washing your hands and protecting yourselves. These are very difficult times and we can all get through it. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you learned anything new, I appreciate a thumbs up as well. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one.